Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It is opening day. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. It is Thursday. We have a special unboxing to do coming from, I do believe, New Life Electronic. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. The link's going to be down below, where you can get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. And we have here today, oh boy, that's empty. Alright, we got envelope, cut right here. Let's see what this is. Oh, alright, these are for the Apple iWatch, or the watch. These are the replacement bands. It's like a denim style, and I think that's the screen protector it comes with. Also, I need to get one of those, but I'm gonna open it up. Probably give it to one of my friends or do a giveaway. See, you've got a little case protector for your screen. Goes right on top of it. That's pretty cool. And now let's take a look at these. I'm not going to open this part because you can see right through. Oh, it's kind of just like that, but that's what it looks like. They're really nice. Got a nice flex to it. Feel it. I feel like it's good. Actually, I'm going to take it out. Yeah, there's the leather band. There's clamps. And there's the front. So just put it on like this. Looks nice. It's casual. Out on the evening. Church, you can wear it too. But I'll be doing a giveaway, so just comment below. Where you're from, and I'll pick one winner. And I'll pay for shipping for you guys to get one of these replacement bands for your iPhone or your iWatch. Yeah, that's what it's called, iWatch. So like I said, really cool. You guys can check them out. I'll leave the links down below. Be happy. You get the screen protector. I'll repackage it, make it look nice and nice, and maybe toss a few extra items in. So if you need a replacement bands, also click on a link and see what other styles they have, and you guys can get one at a low cost and fast ship to you. So that is it for today, YouTubers. You guys be safe, have a great day, and see you guys back later.